Hi, this is a custom screencast for Stevens Roofing Corporation with some tips and strategies about how you can increase your digital presence and rankings online to bring in more customers and more business instead of your competitors. So first of all, the website, it looks pretty good. It's SSL secured, which is great. And I really like how there are individual service pages. But unfortunately, if we go to a service page, a location page, sorry, if we go to a location page such as um, Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, and we look at the metrics, we see that these location pages are not being ranked. So, for example, for the Richmond, Virginia location, we see that it is relying solely on the power from the main page, from the home page, in order to boost its rankings. And honestly, that's just really not enough to get you to the first page of Google to be ranking and beating your competitors. So, for example, if you look at the keywords, it's great that the content is written around keywords, but we see that the position is 12, 13, 17, 13. And honestly, none of these are on the first page. And if you're not on the first page, uh, it's just not going to be found through organic search because 92% of all clicks are made on the first page. So you're losing potentially you're losing potentially tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars of business per month, which is going to your competitors. So, for example, if we look for Refer Richmond, Virginia, um, Refer Richmond, the clicks just really isn't it really isn't there, and because of the rankings, because of the lack of um, uh, correct SEO done for the location pages, you're not really getting the traffic that's needed to generate revenue from those pages. So for example, if we look at a competitor's site such as Hermitage Roofing, we see they do have they do have a lower domain ranking, but they do have more backlinks and referring domains. So you see that they're getting 104 visitors per month, as opposed to 3 for roofing jobs in Virginia, at least. So in order to beat your competitor for a location such as Richmond, Virginia, you would have to first of all beat them out on content. So if we take a look at their page, we see that they have quite a bit of content. So at least for the Richmond, Virginia page here, you would need to have more content aligned with the keywords than your competitor. And second of all, you would need to beat them out in backlinks and referring domains. So like I said, your location pages are primarily relying on the power from your homepage, but that's not really enough to beat out your competitors in each of the local areas. So for example, when it comes to Richmond, Virginia, you would need to beat them out in the number of backlinks and referring domains that competitors has. So what we would do is that we would look at these backlinks and referring domains that they have and and uh, have and make more of them, not only in terms of quantity but quality as well, because not all backlinks are the same. And backlinks are simply when another website links to your website. And in general, the more backlinks you have, the higher your page will rank. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want them from high DR sites that are relevant to your industry. So we would help you get more and higher quality backlinks in order for your location pages to rank higher. And the third factor that goes into ranking is something called citations. And citations is simply any time the business name, address, and phone number is mentioned in a local directory like Yellow Pages or Yelp. And any time that the business is mentioned in a citation, on average, the higher the page will rank, as this increases the authority of the site in Google's eyes. So I know that was a lot of information. I hope that was really valuable. Feel free to take these tips and tricks and implement them yourself. But if you need help in doing so, feel free to reach out and let us know if you need any help in doing any of this. So again, my name is Christy, and hope this was really valuable and useful to you. Thanks. Have a great day.